Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to boost your iPhone signals. So this video is gonna be iPhone tutorial, and to boost the iPhone signal is quite simple. So whenever we are stand into some area that have the limit signal, sometimes we need to do a restart or reboost our iPhone to get more signal. So to do that, it's quite simple. You just need to visit your settings part, and you just need to go into the airplane mode, activate the airplane mode to force the refreshed all of this system. So you need to activate like at least 5 seconds, and after that you just need to turn it all back, and then it will be like start to looking for the strong signal on your phone. So that is one of the way you can do to get or boost your signal. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel for another iPhone tutorial.